The stock market seems very desirable to invest in, but how are you getting started without any knowledge about stocks, investing, or the stock market in general? Hello and welcome to this video of the top 5 books to learn you how to invest in the stock market. Inflation is eating away at our savings. Maybe you've heard from family, friends, or other people in your network that investing in the stock market can be a semi-safe bet to make sure you earn instead of lose. These 5 books will help you get started. Number 1, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book comes highly recommended by one of the biggest stock market investors in the world, Warren Buffett. This book reveals how the author Benjamin Graham became an intelligent investor and gained much knowledge about the market. The book contains advice on how to build a solid portfolio, at what moment to buy stocks, and on what moment to sell them. It also shows how to determine whether to invest in a company or not. Warren Buffett claims this book changed his view on the stock market entirely, and if one of the titans of the stock market claims this book made it happen, it's definitely worth the read. Number 2, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book explains the basics behind 2 common investing options, actively managed funds and index funds. The book shows the pros and cons of both investing methods and which to invest your money in. The author is the founder and former CEO of Vanguard, a huge player on the stock market. Bogle explains in his book why low-cost index funds are more attractive and a safer bet than high-cost actively managed funds. Bogle ALS gives advice about which index fund to invest in and how to avoid common mistakes that will cost you a lot of money. It's a book that will definitely get you excited about investing. Number 3, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. The author Peter Lynch is seen as one of the biggest stock market gurus of our time. The man took his $18 million in assets to a mind-whopping $14 billion in only 13 years. Till this day it is still the most successful mutual fund in the world. The book, however, is about how amateurs have an advantage playing the stock market because they invest without the rules and regulations that professionals are bound to. The book will also teach you how to identify companies that are growing fast and what kind of return on investment you should be looking for. The book basically shows the first steps of a new investor. Number 4, How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. Looking to make more money, this title gives away the sole purpose of the book, earning through the stock market. This book dives into the world of stocks with just one mission in mind: maximize investments and earn that dough. The book is full of insights on how to recognize patterns, reading stock charts, and how to identify profitable companies. It also explains exactly when it's time to buy, sell, and cut your losses. If you want to learn how to make money through the stock market fast, this is the book for you. Number 5, Warren Buffett's Ground Rules by Jeremy C. Miller. The name Warren Buffett has been mentioned before in this video as a titan of the industry. The man is one of the most successful investors of all time, and Jeremy C. Miller dives into Buffett's world in this book. Buffett shares a lot of insights and is not too secretive about his methods. This book is basically a summary of all his given advice. Ever. Readers of this book can learn how to crawl into the mind of Buffett himself and help you measure stocks, stay ahead of the curve, and what to do if you do not have the time to measure the market closely. That was our list of top 5 books that will learn you how to invest. After getting through these relatively short books, you should have a solid foundation of knowledge about the stock market. Note to self: investing in the stock market is not without risk of losing money, so if you decide to start, make sure you know what you are getting into. Thanks for watching, and the Business Library wishes you a lot of profit. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more business book related content.